This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday inaugurated Maitri Setu between India and Bangladesh through video conferencing. The bridge has been built on the Feni River, which flows between Indian boundary in Tripura and Bangladesh. The 1.9 kilometers long bridge joins Sabrun in India with Ramgarh in Bangladesh. The Prime Minister also launched infrastructure projects in Tripura. Mr. Modi said, Maitri Setu will not only boost the production of various bamboo products but will also widen the pineapple and agarbatti business in Agartala. He said, with the opening of the Feni Bridge, Agartala will become the first Indian city closest to an international seaport. Mr. Modi said, during his visit to Bangladesh, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and he together laid the foundation stone of the bridge connecting Tripura directly with Bangladesh. In Assam, Additional Chief Electoral Officer Debo Prasad Mishra said that all precautionary measures are being taken to ensure safety of voters and poll personnel due to COVID-19. Participating in an AIR news talk show last night in Guwahati, Mr. Mishra said that 1.45 lakh polling personnel have been trained so far. He said that as per guidelines, auxiliary polling stations would be set up to accommodate voters. Maximum 1,000 voters can exercise their voting rights in one polling booth. Joint Chief Electoral Officer Lakhinandan Saharia said that the D or doubtful voters couldn't exercise voting rights if not cleared by the foreigner tribunals after due process. 4 fresh COVID-19 infections and 2 more recoveries were reported in Meghalaya yesterday. The new COVID-19 cases included 2 in East Khasi Hills and 1 each in West Garo Hills and Ribhoi district. Meghalaya has registered 13,977 confirmed COVID-19 cases, including 148 deaths, 14 active cases and 13,815 recoveries as per the latest data released by the Health Department. The East Khasi Hills District Medical and Health Officer Dr. M.R. Baselmoit yesterday expressed his dissatisfaction over the response of the people towards the vaccination drive so far. He said that among all the districts of Meghalaya, East Khasi Hills is the worst performing. He urged the people of the district to come forward and get vaccinated to eliminate COVID-19. People can also get vaccinated by visiting the designated hospitals directly. The medical officer urged the people not to fall prey to adverse social media reports about the vaccine. 2 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases in Manipur yesterday, while 1 person recovered. The total number of positive cases reached 29,298 and the total recoveries cases stands at 28,895. The number of active cases is 30 and number of fatalities is 373. The recovery rate is 98.62% in Manipur. In Manipur, 20 cadres from different underground outfits, including 16 cadres from Thado People's Liberation Army, laid down arms before Chief Minister Biren Singh in a homecoming ceremony organized by the Home Department at Imphal yesterday. The cadres who have joined the mainstream also gave up arms and ammunition. They will stay in a rehabilitation camp for 3 years, during which they will be paid a monthly stipend of 6,000 rupees each. The Chief Minister assured the surrendered cadres that the government would help them lead a dignified life, having suitable means of livelihood. Emphasizing that peace is essential for progress and development, he urged members of all armed outfits to join the mainstream. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma yesterday informed the Legislative Assembly that the state government has released 1/4 of the remaining 30% arrears of the government employees, which is 7.5% of the overall arrears. The release of the 22.5% remaining arrears will be considered during the current financial year, subject to availability of funds. He said that the state government is making all efforts to prudently manage the finances despite the challenging times. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.